friends, in this video we are going to prove this thing which says that if A and G be the arithmetic mean and geometric mean respectively between the two positive numbers, prove that the numbers are A plus under root A plus G into A minus G. So let us go step by step. What it says, A be arithmetic mean and G is geometric mean. So if A is arithmetic mean, we can write A is equal to A plus B upon 2 by the formula known to us, and from here we can write, if we shift 2 to the left hand side, we can write 2A is equal to A plus B. Let us say this is my one equation. Now G is the geometric mean. Now again we have this formula, when G is the geometric mean of two number AB, it is given by G is equal to under root AB. If I want to remove this square root, we can square it on both the sides so that root can be removed. So this will be G square is equal to AB. Let us say this is my another equation. Now we have an identity. We have a formula that A minus B whole square is equal to A plus B whole square minus 4AB. In previous classes, in junior classes, we have learnt about this identity which will be used over here. A minus B whole square is equal to this. So here let us write A minus B whole square as it is. Do we know the value of A plus B? Yes, from equation 1 we know the value of A plus B. This is 2A, but that 2A will be squared, so that will become 4A square minus 4 times. Now AB is there. Do we know the value of AB? Yes, from equation 2 we know AB is G square, so we will write G square here. Next we will further solve it. A minus B whole square is equal to 4 can be taken outside, and this we will be left with A square minus G square. Now this A square minus B square form it is having, so this can be written as A plus G into A minus G, and this is A minus B whole square. Now if I take the square root on both the sides, this square will get removed and we will have the value of A minus B as well. Square root of 4 is 2, and we will put square root over the left out term. So this will be A plus G, A minus G. Now we are asked to find the values of small a and small b, the two numbers whose geometric mean, arithmetic mean we have been given as capital A and capital G. So one equation already we have, A minus B is this, and the other equation, my equation 1, which is A plus B is equal to 2A. Using these two equations and by applying elimination method, we can get the values of small a and small b, that is the two numbers value can be calculated. So here minus b plus b gets cancelled, and this is 2A is equal to, these two also gets added, and 2 can be taken outside, under root A plus G, A minus G plus A. So this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Value of small a that we got is under root A plus G, A minus G plus A. So this is the value for small a. Similarly, we can find out the values for small b. So for that what we will do is we will subtract the whole equation. So by doing so, this a and a gets cancelled and we are left with minus b, which is minus 2b is equal to, these two get subtracted, so 2 can be taken outside, and under root A plus G, A minus G minus A, and this 2 gets cancelled, and we are left with this. And if I try to remove this negative sign here, we will multiply throughout the equation by a negative sign, so this will change to b is equal to, this will come first because now its sign will get changed to plus, and its sign will be minus, under root A plus G and A minus G. So this is the value of small b. Now we can see value of small a is capital A plus this, and value of small b is capital A minus this. So all together, if I write, the numbers are nothing but in compact form. If I combine these two solutions, the numbers we can write as a with plus sign under root a plus g, a minus g, and in this case negative sign we have, so a minus under root, the other number is a minus under root a plus g, a minus g. So this is how this question can be solved very easily, and likewise other problems of the exercise are also very simple. If you have any doubt, you can write it in the comment box for further clarity and for the ease in its simplification. Thank you.